So here we have Mosaic running as before on the JavaFX.com sample page. Next, let's run the application on a mobile emulator. To do that, we change the application execution model to run in mobile emulator using the device default FX Touch Phone, which is a software emulation. NetBeans now rebuilds the project as appropriate for the mobile environment, deploys it to the mobile emulator, and starts the emulator. And here we have Mosaic running on the mobile emulator. Note that the application currently does not take into consideration the special screen size and user interface requirements of a mobile device, so the screen gets a little busy here. But the application could easily be made aware of the screen size and then optimize for the mobile device. But as you can see, the user interface metaphor is the same and the application works as on all the other platforms. Finally, let's run Mosaic on an actual device. First, make sure that your device is plugged in via USB and that it is recognized by ActiveSync. Next, make sure that advanced networking is set in the device connection properties. And finally, start JavaFX so that the application management screen with the installed applications is visible on the device. When the device was plugged into USB, the JavaFX SDK Device Manager, symbolized down here, recognizes the device and makes it available in NetBeans as a new deployment target. So let's go into the project properties and change the deployment target to this new device. Select the drop-down menu, and the Device Manager will have added additional devices called JavaFX WinCE device with a number. Choose the last device in the list. If you do not see additional devices in the drop-down menu, that means the JavaFX SDK Device Manager has not recognized any attached devices, and you should check your setup. When clicking the Run button, NetBeans now deploys and executes the application over USB. Let's switch over to the device. When the application is deployed over USB, it is temporarily installed and briefly shows up in the list of installed applications before it gets started. And here we have Mosaic running on the HTC Diamond. The images are actually downloaded in real time over the wireless connection of the device. You can see some slight sluggishness in the movement of the images. That is not the performance of the application, but it is an artifact of the video recording. Otherwise, the application behaves just like it does on all the other platforms, including the touchscreen support. So there you have it. This concludes the demos. Let's wrap up. JavaFX is the rich client platform for all screens, for the desktop, the web browser, mobile devices, and soon also coming to TV. Now is the perfect time to get started on real mobile devices. In particular, the new UI and charting components that come with JavaFX 1.2 make creation of cross-platform user interfaces really easy. So download the JavaFX Mobile 1.2 Early Access for Windows Mobile today and start developing. And please give us your feedback via the javafx.com forums. Thank you for watching this screencast.